I'm Karen Harima, and welcome to my bathroom because we are going to talk today about an at-home spa treatment you can do for your hands and your feet that's going to leave both feeling incredibly soft and hydrated. So I blog about style and beauty at stylebyKaren.com. I'm also an ambassador for the Stella & Dot family of brands, which includes EVERskincare. And we're going to use some of the EVERskincare products today. For those of you that are familiar with them, you may not have used these things in the exact combination that I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing we're going to start with is our Luminous cleanser. And this is one of 3 choices that we have for cleansers in our Pure Results regimen. It's actually a cleansing balm that you would put on your face without water. It melts away eye makeup. It's the first product I ever tried with Ever, and I was sold and love it and still use it every single night. So you're going to put a little bit of that on your hands, and it's full of sesame and plum oils, by the way. And then you're going to add the body polish. This is a lemon sugar scrub. I usually have this in my shower, but after this treatment and seeing this, I now will put this by my kitchen sink because I want to remind myself to do this every so often. So you're just going to take the 2 and mix them and get a nice scrub going on your hands and your arms. You can go, I have long sleeves, but you can go all the way up your arms. It is just going to really do the trick for exfoliating, because just like it's so important to exfoliate our face, and we know why. I always tell all women that I talk to about exfoliation, say, remember, don't skip that step, because that's what allows you to remove the dead skin cells and help any moisturizer and serum that you're using next work and do its job properly. Well, the same thing for your hands. You want to be sure you remove those dead skin cells, because then the next step of our treatment will actually be absorbed better and penetrate into your skin because those skin cells have been removed. So I'm going to rinse my hands a little bit here, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to also give you another tip that you can try, that you can, after you rinse your hands, get a bowl of warm water and soak your fingers for a little bit, and then add some of our overnight facial oil, which is our product with retinol that we use at night on our faces to really fight fine lines and wrinkles. It is one of our favorites. We refer to it as liquid gold, because when you wake up the next morning, your skin feels incredibly soft, and that's how what can help with your fingers and your cuticles, and especially if you have a tendency to get hangnails or just really have dry hands in general, that will really treat that well. All right, so then after you have done that, you want to top everything off with Lavish body butter. Lavish is a fruit complex. It is an Allure Best of Beauty winner, and it has that little kind of a hint of lemon, a little bit of orange combo, and women love this. We refer to it as when someone has eczema or dry skin in general, it has shea butter. And what you can do with your hands as well too is you want to work it into your hands, and if your hands are feeling extra dry, you can buy spa gloves. You can get those at Amazon, which again would just give you that little extra surge of moisture and treatment. Or you can just take a plastic bag, put a rubber band around it, and let your hands sit for 5-10 minutes just to make them feel even extra moisturized. Now you can do the very same thing for your feet. What you will want to do is soak your feet like you're having a pedicure, except it's at home, and just really spend the time to soak for a little while. Do the same thing. Mix a little Luminous cleanser, a little body polish together, and scrub your feet and your legs, and do a little buffing on your feet if necessary, and then finish with the Lavish body butter. It's especially nice to do. Our feet are one area that gets so dry, and it's because we don't have many pores in our feet and it doesn't allow the moisture to be absorbed. So that's really where that plastic bag trick can help so much. Just put a plastic bag on after you have the Lavish. You can actually do it with a Luminous cleanser too. It is just something that will give that extra moisture. Sit for 5 or 10 minutes, put on some music, put on a book if you listen to books, and just relax and enjoy the experience. And I can guarantee between doing your hands and feet, you are going to feel, it's going to feel like you have been to the spa. So I hope you enjoy this, and if you have any questions, you can let me know. And again, the products that I used were Luminous Cleanser, Body Polish, Lavish Body Butter, and the Overnight Facial Oil. Thanks so much for watching.